what will win in a series of off-road challenges.
Come on! Feel like I'm gonna hit something. Oops, oops.
An Isuzu D-MAX Arctic trucks.
Power, 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 power!
Or a Toyota Hilux Arctic trucks. Let's start with an uphill drag race. I'm sat in the Isuzu D-MAX. It has a 1.9 litre, this is a bit small, turbo diesel, 164 horsepower and 360 newton meters of torque, which I'm not sure is enough in something that weighs 2.2 tons. Still, we have got four-wheel drive, a low range mode, rear locking differential as well. The main thing is that it's been worked on by Arctic trucks. So they've lifted their suspension by 20mm, they've fitted Bilstein suspension, 35-inch off-road tyres. We've also got some other bits and pieces like wide bodywork, all set up for some more hardcore off-roading. Total price of this truck though, £67,000. Ooh. Let's find out about the Hilux. Hello, Nick. Tell me about your Hilux.
My Hilux has a 2.8 litre turbocharged four-cylinder diesel engine with 204 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque, which is a lot more than your truck has. In terms of the Arctic trucks mods on this, they're fairly similar. 35-inch tyres, wider front suspension, new springs and dampers courtesy of Bilstein. It's been raised. It's also a lot wider thanks to this massive wide body kit. Loads of extra hitches, flaps and badges. All in, this weighs 2.3 and a little bit tons. In terms of prices, this is nearly 70 grand.
Do you know what the actual ground clearance is of this truck?
55mm more than a regular D-MAX, that one. 266mm at the front, 290mm at the back. I have 310mm at the front and 278mm at the back. So mine's higher at the front, yours is higher at the backside.
Maybe that'll even things out. Not sure about the power disadvantage I have though, and the engine capacity disadvantage, but we'll find out. Let's get on with this race. What's going to happen is we are going to compete over a series of challenges. Whichever truck wins a challenge gets 2 points. The one that comes second or last gets 1 point. Any truck that fails to complete a challenge gets 0 points. The truck with the most points at the end wins. Now we've got Graham, our off-road expert there. He's going to be invigilating and timing us as we go through these different challenges. So Graham, off you go. Start us for this race.
3, 2, 1.
Less power, but more traction!
Matt's off to a flyer. Blooming got me!
I have less power, less torque, less engine capacity, but I had more grip. As a result, I won.
Yeah, and let's not forget weight as well. I know that that truck is lighter than this one, which has to have an effect when you're basically driving up a cliff.
It does, but it's got to carry my rather heavy ego. That's 2 points to the Isuzu and 1 point to the Hilux. For this next challenge, we are going to compare the truck's manoeuvrability and traction as we drive through the woods, around the tree and back again, dodging obstacles and trees as we go. Graham will be timing us. The truck which is quickest wins. Nick, are you going low range, no rear diff?
I was going to go high range, no rear diff actually.
There we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow! Come on, round the tree, you big old truck. Oh no, I can't do it.
The trouble with these pickups, they're not the most manoeuvrable.
Come on, you got this.
That last bit was a bit brutal. So what was the time, Graham? 24.04 for Nick, and I beat that. Let's go. Now his got more ground clearance at the front than I have, so I've got to watch it coming through this puddle at the end.
3, 2, 1.
Get round in one. If I get round in one, I'm laughing. Got round in one. Oops, oops. $24.04 to beat. And considering I did it in one go around the tree, I should have won. 19.95. Nick, you lost. Your 3 point turn had you.
You just either a much better driver than me, or that truck is inexplicably easier to turn around in, which I don't think should be the case. They're both massive, aren't they?
I think it's the first point he made. He got it correct that time. 2 points to the Isuzu, 1 to the Hilux. That means 4 points in the D-MAX and just 2 for the Toyota. Here, the name of the game is being the slowest driving down this hill. We're going to engage both trucks' hill descent control, make them go slow as possible. In this Isuzu, I use the cruise control button to put it into its lowest speed setting. Obviously, I'm going to run in 4-wheel drive, low range, and I'm going to run in manual in first gear. Nick, what's your plan?
4-wheel drive, obviously, low range mode. I've got hill descent control switched on, and I've got the gearbox in sport mode, so I can manually lock it in first as well. So hopefully it's not going to change up and run away from me.
Exactly, we are doing the same thing. Let's see which one is slowest down the hill. Rules of the game, you have to lift up your foot onto the dash to prove that you are not touching any brakes.
3, 2, 1.
Off the brake. Come on, hill descent. Do a better job. Slower, please.
Ah, see you, Matt.
Oh, it's not slow enough. That Hilux is slower down the hill.
Good old Hilux. Yes.
Victory for you there, Nicholas.
That was the most stress-free hill descent I've ever done. The only thing stressful was the position my legs were in.
2 points for the Toyota, 1 for the Isuzu, which means the Hilux has 4 points and this, it has 5.
Want to sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price? Then head to Carwow to have over 4,000 trusted dealers ready to bid on it in an online auction. First, enter your car's registration to get an instant approximate valuation. Then, if you want to proceed, give us some more details and upload some photos, and we'll help you set a fair reserve price for your car. That's the minimum amount you'd be happy to sell it for. Once you've done that, we'll enter your car into an online auction. When the auction's over, we'll let you know the result, and the dealer with the winning bid will be in touch to arrange easy payment and free collection of your car. 93% of sellers surveyed said they got the price they expected or more through Carwow. The best bit is, it's completely free! I put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment to take you directly to Carwow, where over 4,000 dealers are ready to bid on your car. Or you can just click on the pop-out banner that should be appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price. On with the video.
So this next challenge is testing chassis articulation, their traction, their ground clearance, their approach, departure angles, pretty much everything. What we're going to do is drive up this slope, go around the top, then go up the slope to the right. We're going to be timed as we run this course, so you want to do it in the quickest possible time. However, because these are expensive trucks, we don't want to damage them, and if we touch the ground at any point, it'll be a 10-second penalty for every time we touch. I'm going to run low range mode and with the diff locker in, but I'm going to try and turn it off as I get to the top to come round and then put it back on again to go up that hill. Automatic for the gearbox.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Well, watch this bit here. Can't touch, mustn't touch. We're doing all right up here. Right, diff lock off, where are you? Nope, that's hill descent control. Turn off, because I need to get round here. Turn off diff lock, you bugger. Won't go off. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, the traction's wicked. Hey, I'm across the line. That was quite good, that was.
It was.
I went reasonably
I was impressed.
quickly, didn't touch at all. Ooh, did it in under a minute, 57.63. Right, it's going to be tough for him to beat that.
Will.
3, 2, 1.
It's gone into there pretty quick.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna hit something. Graham says slow down, but I don't want to.
He's seen that I've done it at a decent pace, and so he's really going for it. Wow. He's absolutely smashed me going up there, I think. Oh, I'm really nervous.
Into the dirt we go. Oh, it is rocky here, isn't it?
Oh, he's a bit slow there. Oh, and he powers out at the top. Woo! I think he's got some bad news for me. Did he do it clean as well?
Did.
Oh no, I've got a feeling he beat me. Blimey. 40.65? That's like almost 15 seconds quicker.
No.
Nick, you lost.
What?
You touched twice.
Graham didn't say anything. He was perfectly happy with that run.
No, actually, you weren't. Absolutely well done. 6 points to the Toyota now. 6 points to the Isuzu. Everything to play for. For this next challenge, we're going to drive over a rock crawl. Graham will be directing us, but once again, we're going to be timed. However, if we touch a rock at all, 10-second penalty. Nick is going to go first. Diff lock on, low range.
3, 2, 1.
Gently does it.
Looks like his diff's going to touch if he's not careful over that.
Waiting for a clang. These tyres are brilliant. I think we're in the clear. Yes, we are.
That looked really good over there, I've got to say. The extra ground clearance you get off the big tyres and the lift. That was quick, wasn't it? What was the time, Graham?
52.68.
Oh, no pressure to me then, eh? Let me get into position.
3, 2, 1.
Can't even see Graham. Are you directing me still, Graham, or are we just giving up now? Just give it some pokage. Get out of there.
That looked really quick.
52.68 to beat.
Your time
Yeah.
was 30.
What?
30.
30.33.
But-
No!
You touched
How many times?
once.
Once. Okay,
10
that's
seconds.
yeah. 40.33. Still win. I still what touched?
The under tray.
The under
Still
tray.
touched.
Still won despite touching. Yes. That means 2 points to the D-MAX, 1 to the Hilux, 8 to the Isuzu, 7 to the Toyota. This next challenge is all about traction and performance because we're going to drive up this stony slope as quickly as possible, and the truck that does it in the shortest time wins. Same thing again, if you touch at all there's a penalty, but this time it's only going to be a 2-second penalty.
3, 2, 1.
Power, 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 power!
Woo-wee.
What was the time on that? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! 4.88. He's going to struggle to beat that, but it's not impossible.
3, 2, 1.
Going quick.
Get up this hill. That was quick.
Oh, Graham, that looked quick. I'm not sure if it's quick enough though. You tell me, what was Nick's time?
Time 4 seconds dead. And something's dangling from the bottom of the truck.
But if something's dangling from the bottom of his truck, did he touch at all?
Negative. It looks like it's a screw-on removable thing.
Okay, you know what that means then. 2 points for the Hilux, 1 for the Isuzu D-MAX. It's all square, 9 points apiece. This last challenge is the decider. It's a drag race. Quite simply, winner takes all. Whichever vehicle crosses the line first wins. We're going to both run in 4-wheel drive high.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Oh, he's got me. Oh, has he?
I've blooming gotcha!
Come on! Oh no! Oh, I was so close, but no. He got the jump on me on the line. I thought I was pulling it back, but in the end, no.
I felt like I was threading a needle halfway through that drag race because you were getting very close to me and there was a big rock that I did not want to hit.
Anyway, 2 points to the Hilux, 1 to the D-MAX, 11 points overall for the Toyota, 10 for the Isuzu. The Toyota wins. Congratulations, Nick. You and your truck are the best.
Thank you very much, Matt. I think the real winner here, though, is Arctic Trucks, isn't it? I mean, they have built two proper beasts.
It's quite interesting. We've actually done the normal Hilux off-road. If you want to see that, there is a link to that video which should be appearing now. You can go watch that and you'll see how much more capable these raised and upgraded trucks are compared to the standard one. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the CarWow logo for a special surprise, really. Thanks for watching.